Hey everyone! Adding video to your Webflow site is a powerful way to boost engagement. Whether you're using a background video for a hero section or embedding a YouTube clip, here is the step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Use the background video component. If you want a video to play behind your text or other elements, this is the tool to use. Open the Add Elements panel and scroll down to the Components or Media section. Drag and drop the background video component into your hero section or a specific container. Step 2. Hosting and URL retrieval, external platforms. Because the standard Webflow video element does not allow for direct MP4 uploads to save on your site's hosting bandwidth, you must host it elsewhere and bring in the link. Why use YouTube or Vimeo? These platforms are optimized for global delivery. When you paste a link from them, Webflow uses an Embed to pull the video, player, and controls automatically. Upload your video to YouTube, set it to unlisted if you don't want it on your channel, or Vimeo, copy the main video URL from the browser address bar, and lastly, in Webflow, paste that URL into the video settings field. Step 3. Styling and overlays. To make text readable over a background video, you need a dark or tinted overlay. Select your background video component and set its position to relative. Add a div block inside the background video component. Set its position to absolute and full. Give that div a background color, like black, with 40 to 50% opacity. Now, any text you place on top will pop. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.